guys, it's Gina with Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and it is the month of September, and the bead subscription boxes have started to roll in. So I'm so excited to share with you guys my very first one for September. It's an awesome box. It's the Dollar Bead Box. If you haven't heard of it, you can go to dollarbeadbox.com. All the info is below. And they offer a really cool bead and jewelry making subscription that is as low as $18.50 a month with free shipping. And they also have an add-on dollar bead bag where they send some really cool fire polished strands. It's 8 strands for $8. And let's just get started. I haven't opened this box yet, so we'll go ahead and open it together and see what kind of beautiful goodies are inside. I cannot wait. Dollar Bead Box is definitely one of my favorite subscriptions. It's an awesome value, and they send some really unique finds each month. So they have a little letter. Let's see what that says. It says, "Dear member, this September marks the 3rd year of the Dollar Bead Box. Since then, we have added the Dollar Bead Bag, the online shop, and our Dollar Bead Club membership. It's been quite a journey, and we're so glad you're a part of it with us. For the future, our efforts include finding ways to bring you new beading experiences and activities. We'll continue to focus on our products, but we love that so many of you are sharing your ideas and designs with us and with each other. Let the adventure continue." Very cool. So they have on the back the list of everything they've included in the box. But first, let's get started with the Dollar Bead Bag add-on. You can see we have our list here. They include 4 3mm fire polish strands and 4 4mm strands. And they always include some beautiful colors and finishes. And I can already tell we've got some really pretty ones this month. So I'm just going to separate them, and we can go through them one at a time. So the first one on our 3mm list is called Butterscotch. And that is, I'm thinking, this one. Isn't that a beautiful fall color? Gorgeous. Looks just like the color of those butterscotch candies. It's a little bit more orangey in my hand than what's showing up on the camera. But it's a beautiful kind of goldenrod color. Then we have Crystal Electric Yellow and Green. And isn't that beautiful? Give you a nice close-up on that. So beautiful metallics, just like it says, yellow and green metallic on a clear base. Stunning. Very flashy. Then Opaque Turquoise Blue Zircon, which would be this one. And we've gotten this before, I believe, possibly in the 4mm, and I love it. I love anything that's two-tone like this. And really pretty how they have the metallic blue zircon on the opaque turquoise. Gorgeous. Okay, and then we have Seafoam Opal AB. And I love anything opal, as you can tell by my name. And the AB takes it up another notch, so it's just this beautiful, beautiful, shiny blue opal. Very dreamy color. I'm just turning it around so you can see how beautiful it is when the light catches it. Alright, so let's move on to our 4mm strands. We have, for the first one, Matte Crystal, which is this right here, and you can't go wrong with crystal, and the matte is beautiful. I've been loving the matte finishes lately. Just kind of that frosted look. And then we have the Crystal Yellow lined, and we just recently got a Crystal Cranberry lined that was so beautiful, and I love these crystal line beads. I love getting other colors. Really pretty. We also have a matte Crystal AB, which is this one. It's kind of a very light dove gray, and they've added the AB on it so it catches the light beautifully. Very nice. And then last but not least, for our dollar bead bag, we have the Crystal Fern green lined. So another gorgeous crystal bead with the green lining this time. So beautiful. Awesome. So these are some gorgeous strands as usual. They never disappoint. So again, that add-on is $8 a month if you're a subscriber. And they have a great website where you can shop for more beads, and you can buy more of these beads for just $1 a strand if you're a member. So it's a great deal. All right, so let's get into the box. We have our list here, and I'm going to empty the contents off to the side, and we'll go down the list. So first we have our strands. The first one is a 6mm check glass 2-hole square, carnelian opal, or matte carnelian opal. So let's see. So it looks like I got the carnelian opal. It's not matte. And I absolutely love the 2-hole square beads. And in fact, I have a great tutorial on my channel. If you look a few videos back, it's called the Love Bracelet, and it uses these same beads. And I love that bracelet. I love the Love Bracelet. So another great fall color right there. Then the 5mm check glass melon bead in cyan or amethyst. Alright, so I got amethyst. Beautiful close up on it so you can see the shape and why it's called a melon bead. You can see the little ridges and grooves on the sides. Super cute. Love that shape. And then we have a 6x8mm check glass tabular oval in aqua opal or sapphire opal. So that would be these 25 pieces, and look how beautiful these are. Look at the striations inside, that beautiful opal. Just beautiful. Great shape. It's kind of a flat oval. Would be very comfortable in a bracelet. I love that color. Alright, and then we're looking for a 6mm check fire polish crystal copper luster. Alright, which is this one. Wow, look how, so beautiful. There you go. Look at that crystal copper luster. I'm loving these colors, lots of great seasonal fall colors. Beautiful, and it's great to get some 6mm size fire polish beads, in addition to having so many of the 3 and 4 with the subscription. And then we're looking for 8mm fire polish beads in crystal vintage vitriol. Again, love having another size, another larger size, the 8mm. And these are just stunning. Partly crystal, partly the vitriol finish. Catch the light beautifully. Absolutely love them. And then our final strand, I've actually gotten this before. It is called a check glass tabular square. It's a 9mm, and it's turquoise with travertine. There's 25 beads, so quite a few beads. And that travertine finish is so beautiful. It gives these beads kind of a gemstone look almost. It's really cool how check glass can kind of imitate stone sometimes, the way the finishes come out. And I love this color. So I'm glad to add more of those to my stash. Alright, so now we can get into the additional items. We are looking for, oh, you guys, check glass elephant, navy with silver wash. Yay, we got some turquoise ones last month. So it looks like they sent us some navy ones. Oh my goodness. Aren't these gorgeous? And look at the shape all the way around. They are a work of art. Look at them. These are beautiful. Awesome to have these and the turquoise. Very exciting. And these are not cheap, you guys, if you were to buy these somewhere else. So getting two here for $1. You can go back on their site and order more if you wanted to. It's a great deal. Okay, then we're looking for 12mm a faceted crystal round. It's one piece. Very nice. Nice focal bead. Beautiful. Just moving it around so you can see the facets. Lovely. We're looking for a 16 by 20 millimeter pewter Chinese symbol charm. Which is right here. They always include some very unique charms. I'd love to know what it means. If anybody knows, leave me a comment below before I look into that. It's pretty cool. I am actually keeping a bag of items that I'm going to be giving away once I reach 5,000 subscribers. I recently reached 1,000, and you guys, I'm on the fast track here to 5,000. I don't think it'll be that long, actually. And for certain things that maybe aren't my style, like this in particular, you know, somebody else would love it, I'm sure, and could make something beautiful with it. But not only that, I'd be including some things that I love as well. So I am keeping a bag going of things for my next giveaway, just so you know. Okay, so anyway, back to the box. I'm looking for a 14 by 24 millimeter pewter turtle charm, which is this one right here. Very cute. Love turtles. This would be great for a turtle lover. So cute. So there you go. Couple of charms there. So it's nice they include not only beads but also findings like charms. They sometimes include things like cords and clasps. So a great box all around. So then we're looking for a 16 millimeter heart and key toggle. Excellent. Antique copper, which is right here. I love getting toggle clasps. They're so much fun. I love using them on bracelets in particular, but you can find so many different ones that are so cute and decorative. And that is so cute. That'd be cute on the love bracelet, don't you guys think? Yeah. Very nice. Okay, then we're looking for an 18 millimeter Swarovski twist bead. Ooh, light rose. So Swarovski, as you guys know, great quality, not cheap at all. And this is gorgeous. Look at this pink color and the way it's faceted. It is beautiful. This would make a great focal bead on a necklace. I think it would look really nice. Somehow form it into part of a pendant. And if you wanted to, you could probably go on their website and find another one of these if you wanted to, and make a beautiful pair of earrings. That's gorgeous. The shape is really cool. It's not just flat, it's got a little twist to it. Beautiful. Okay, and then we're looking for 14 millimeter check glass table cut brown opal with travertine. And it's one piece. And that is this right here. And that is very cool. Let's see, there's the hole. Another very unique focal bead. Or again, if you wanted to order another one, you could and make a really stunning pair of earrings. But this color would be very nice for the season as well. Beautiful. Okay, so then we're looking for 6 millimeter check glass bicones, alabaster with white travertine. You guys know I love my check glass bicones. So there's 12 pieces. Look at this. Another travertine finish. Looks kind of like stone. Beautiful, right? They look like a work of art. Very, very pretty. Okay, just have a couple more items left. So we're looking for a 4x7 check glass rondelle in black matte. 14 pieces. Beautiful. Can't go wrong with black matte. and a very versatile shape. So interesting. Check glass rondelle, so they're not faceted. And they kind of come to a point like a little disc shape, like that. Those will be something that could be worked into a lot of different pieces. And last but not least, we are looking for the brass stamped butterfly. It's 25 by 39 millimeter, one piece. And how gorgeous is that? Beautiful brass stamping. I could see this as a part of a pendant. You could even use it as a focal on a bracelet if you wanted to. And it's got 2 holes, which is pretty cool. And of course, the fact that there's a lot of holes going on here, it's pretty versatile on what could be done with this. So I love getting pieces like this. They really make me think outside the box to come up with something cool. So you guys stay tuned for my future videos. I love doing finished jewelry updates where I take you through and show you some of my finished pieces using the beads and findings from boxes like these. So it just gives you inspiration and some ideas on what can be done, because we all think so differently, and it's fun to see what we all come up with similar items. It's a lot of fun. So please stay tuned, you guys, for future videos. I have so much more to come. Many more jewelry bead unboxings to come this coming week or two. More finished jewelry updates, more tutorials, lots more beading fun. So if you like this unboxing and you want to see more, please feel free to subscribe and hit that bell at the top, and that will notify you when I am up to more beading fun. So thanks so much, you guys, for being with me. I hope this was enjoyable for you. Feel free to leave me a comment or a question below. I love to hear from you, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!